How to use Notion AI on mobile. First, make sure that you have connected to internet. After that, you have to download Notion AI app on your phone. So download it from either App Store if you are from iPhone and from Play Store if you are on Android. After that, click on the search bar and open Notion AI app. Now you'll see this page and here you have log in your account in this app. So click on any of this option. You can log in with Google, Apple, Microsoft, or with passkey or SSO, and you can also continue with your email ID. Here I am choosing this Google option. Now after you choose your profile, click on continue. Click on allow. Now choose the option that you prefer from here. After that, click on this next option. Again, click on this next. And finally, click on get started option. And after you log in, you can see this icon here on the bottom right. Click on that icon. So this is the Notion AI. Here you can type anything and ask anything to Notion AI. So this is how you can use Notion AI on your mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.